Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my daughter Natalie in the kitchen with us.
Hi guys.
And together we're going to be showing you how to make some delicious creamy chipotle chicken tostadas. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned
and I'll show you how.
Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 1/4 of a cup of mustard, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 can and a half of chipotle sauce, 3/4 of a cup of crema mexicana, 1/4 of a cup of milk. For our toppings, we're going to need crema mexicana, queso fresco, avocado, and lettuce, and tostada shells. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by cleaning out our chicken. So I already washed my chicken, so now I'm just going to remove all the fat. So all of that. Now if you don't have a problem cooking it with all the fat, then you can just leave it. And then we're also going to cut them into thin slices. So split it in half. Just like that. I'm just going to remove all that. Alright guys, so once we slice our chicken in half, we're going to transfer it into a bowl so we can start getting ready to marinate it. Okay, so just Alright, so next we're going to sprinkle it with our chicken bouillon, our onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and cumin. And we're going to mix it along with our mustard. And don't worry you guys, the mustard is just going to give it extra flavor and it's just going to make our chicken a little tender. I know when my mom gave me the recipe, I was like, what, mustard? I didn't know I had mustard. I was a little scared, but don't worry. Okay, so now just mix it all together. Make sure that your chicken gets fully coated with all of our spices and mustard. Okay, so cover it with plastic wrap or foil. Hold it, mommy. Alright, so now we're just going to let it marinate for 1 hour. Alright guys, so after our chicken has been marinating for 1 hour, we're going to start working on our chipotle sauce. So we're going to start by pouring our crema into the blender. Now, if you don't have any crema mexicana, you can use sour cream. Just make sure that you use more milk. So pour that in there. You can just tip it, mommy. It's running. Okay.
There's some more?
That's good. Okay, so pour your milk, your cream cheese, okay, 1 can of chipotle. Now this chipotle sauce is not spicy compared to the ones that have the chipotle pepper inside. So we're going to use 1.5. But of course, if you want a little bit more spicy, you can use one of these and then use the chipotle, the ones with the chipotle peppers. So only half. Go ahead. Okay. Ooh, got it. Okay, so now we're going to blend it all together until we have a creamy sauce. Alright, so once we have our creamy sauce, we are ready to cook our chicken. Alright, so in a large frying pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat. We're going to add a little bit of oil, a little splash. And once our oil heats up, we're going to add our chicken. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to place our chicken breast. Let's place all of your chicken breast in the pan. Alright, so now we're going to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes each side. Alright, so after 5 minutes, we're going to flip it over. And now we're going to let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken from the pan. And I'm going to set it in a bowl. Now, if you want to skip the tostadas and serve the chicken as a whole, then you can just pour the sauce in here and just let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to remove it from here. So I'm just going to cover it with plastic wrap and let that cool down so we can shred it. Alright guys, so my chicken has been sitting for 10 minutes. So now we're going to get ready to shred it. Get 2 forks.
I got it.
You go like that.
Okay, let's taste it.
Can you taste the mustard?
Mm-mm.
Oh. So good. Just delicious. You can just have it like that too. Alright guys, so once we have our chicken all nicely shredded, we are ready to put it with our creamy chipotle sauce. Alright, so we're going to return it on the same frying pan, and now we're going to set it on medium heat. Go ahead and pour the sauce.
Okay, I'm putting the sauce.
So we're going to pour the sauce in there.
Thick.
Pour all of it.
You want to use this?
Hmm? Here, flip it over. Okay, I think we got all of it.
Okay. Now we're going to chicken.
We're gonna wait for the sauce to heat up a little bit, and then we're gonna pour our chicken. Okay, so once you see the little bubbles, make sure you mix it. And now we're going to add our chicken. So mix it all together. You can try it for salt, but to me this is perfect. I don't think it needs anything. Okay, so once everything is nicely mixed, we're going to cover it. So we're going to cover it and we're going to let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Okay guys, so after 10 minutes, our chicken should be done. So now we're just going to turn it off. Mix it one last time. And now we are ready to serve. Alright guys, so now for the fun part, making our tostadas. So I'm going to start by putting some sour cream on my tostada shell. And then I'm going to place my chicken on top. Of course, depending on how much chicken you like on your tostada, it's going to depend on how much you add. Okay, then I'm going to put some more crema. Going to put some lettuce. Some tomatoes. Add some color in that. Some avocado slices. Queso fresco. And I'm gonna use the leftover chipotle sauce and add a little bit of drops on top of it. Just like that. Okay, and that is it for our tostada. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, cheers.
Am I so sleepy?
look to the chicken. How is it?
Good.
If you like tinga, you're going to love this. Super delicious. It's not spicy at all. Like I said, just make sure that you use the chipotle sauce. So delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how we prepare some delicious creamy chipotle chicken tostadas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me at any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.
Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.